Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Lucidchart. Whether you're creating flowcharts, diagrams, or presentations, knowing how to customize your text colors will help you create more visually appealing and organized documents. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to lucidchart.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This will take you straight to your Lucidchart dashboard where all your projects and documents are stored. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on it to start creating a new document. A menu will appear with several options for what type of document you want to create. From this menu, select Lucidchart, then click on Blank Document. This will open up a fresh canvas where you can start building your diagram from scratch. Now, you'll need to wait a few seconds while Lucidchart loads your workspace. During this time, the platform may suggest some recommended templates that you can use to get started faster. These templates are great if you want a head start on common diagram types like flowcharts, organizational charts, or mind maps. If any of the suggested templates fit what you're trying to create, go ahead and select your preferred template, then click Use. This will load the template onto your canvas, giving you a structured starting point that you can customize to your needs. Now, let's get to the text part. Select the text tool from the left toolbar. It looks like a capital T and is usually easy to spot among the other tools. Click on it to activate the text feature. Next, type some text in the field that appears on your canvas. This could be a label, a title, or any text you need for your diagram. Once you've typed your text, you'll need to highlight it. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text to select it. With the text highlighted, look up to the upper left panel. Here, you'll see a button labeled A, which represents the text color option. Click on this button and a color palette will appear. From this palette, select the color you want for your text. You can choose from preset colors or even create a custom shade that matches your brand or design needs. After you've changed the color, you might also want to adjust the font style and font size to make your text stand out even more. In the same upper left panel, you'll find drop-down menus for font style and size. Click on the drop-down menu to explore different font options and select the size that works best for your design. This gives you complete control over how your text appears in your diagram. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the text color in Lucidchart and customized it to fit your project perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.